what you're doing, alright? But like I've said time and time again, I have to continue studying now. I can't attend to you. What do you mean? No, you silly little liar. You've been trying to distract me for the past about an hour or so. And it's not necessarily in a bad way, I just need to focus. And there's a big exam tomorrow and I can't just succumb to you. I know you're trying to be a little flirtatious, but baby, I really have to focus. And so I really have to sit down, read all the material, and focus. If you really want to help, you can make me maybe a cup of coffee or a sandwich or something, but not this. I really have to focus. Well, like I said, any other time, those distractions would be more than welcome. And they wouldn't really even be considered distractions. And they'd probably be the highlight of my day. And I would give you and your pair of twins my full frontal attention. Well, baby, I can't really do that right now. You don't have any exams, so obviously you might have a lot more free time on your hands. Okay, just let me, how about this, okay? Hear what I have to say. Let me study for 2 hours straight, and then we can take a break and do what you want to do. Oh, come on. We both know what you're trying to do here. I know you want to claim it as massaging me, but I already see where your eyes are looking at. Okay, so to prevent catastrophe, there's going to be a few ground rules, alright? You can only use your arms to massage me, okay? So no chest. I know what you're doing. So that means fingers, nails, knuckles, elbow, okay? And you can only massage my waist and up. So that's shoulders, neck, scalp. You get the idea. Anything from the waist down is off limits, okay? No-go zone. We can't be starting an engine when the car isn't going to go anywhere. Okay, thank you, baby. I'm glad you at least say that you understand. Alright, let me get my book and open it up to... Well, wow, you started off very soft. Why, yes, that does feel very nice. But you can't talk to me, okay? I need to read. I need to focus. Yes, I know, and it feels very nice. You see, your hand is trying to go down again. You see, this is what I was talking about. No. Stay above the waist. You see, I knew it. I was anticipating that's what's gonna happen. Okay. And now you're kissing me on the neck. Baby, I don't know if that's part of the massage. Listen, I know that you're bored, and I know what you're trying to do, and it's not gonna work. And while, yes, that was a nice kiss, I know that I should be looking at my books. okay? So go get your mat and do whatever you want. Sure. What is that pose called? Downward dog. Well, with that pose, I don't think I can, and that angle too. I guess I'm doing my best to concentrate. But you're making a lot of noise, like an excessive amount. And that's why I'm looking over. Okay, baby, this clearly is not working out, okay? Why don't we make a compromise? Here's what I propose. For the next few minutes, we do anything that you want. We make sure you're well taken care of. And so that afterwards, you're going to be sleepy, and you're going to stop trying to distract me, okay? Sound good? Come over here to my desk. I know I'm a very big guy. You know what they say about people with deep voices and big feet and big hands, right? If it's big in many places, chances are we're even bigger where it matters the most. Oh yeah. This is actually a really good view. I love this view where I can see all of you. I can see your expressions at every moment. And you're just so genuine. You don't have to fake anything, and I can tell when you're at the happiest moments of this little activity. Can you be more still? I'm trying to give you my peak performance here, and I can't do that if you're kinda taking it hard and moving all over the place. Just try to hold on to anything. Me, the ground, the cover, whatever. Hold on for dear life. We're gonna continue this roller coaster. You just feel so damn good. I can't believe that I didn't do this earlier. I never would have thought you were so good at this. Maybe it is worth it all. You know, I've had a lot of partners, but you're the best one I've had so far. The way you respond to me and the way you obey me just wants me to make you mine and maybe even propose to you tomorrow. Who knows? Damn, girl. You're actually really, really good at this. I want to be yours forever. Forever and ever and ever. And one day, when I can't speak anymore, when my voice gets so deep from loving you so much that you can't hear it anymore, I want you to remember all the nice moments we had like this. And I want you to get on top, okay? And take it away from there. Fucking love you so much. I know I'm good at this. You know, I have been told that I have a tongue that puts everyone else's to shame. Ooh, yes. Why would I lie? Do you want to see for yourself? That was good, wasn't it? You want more? Well, I'm going to make you beg for it. Listen, baby, I had a great time, but I gotta go. Alright. No, you can't have my number, but you can like and subscribe this video and come back next time, and I'll always be here for you, okay? But yeah, I gotta go now. Bye.